Maserati is a prestigious Italian vehicle manufacturer famous for producing high-performance luxury sports cars that deliver comfortable driving experiences. Unfortunately, the brand is not typically associated with producing robust and reliable vehicles. If you are a Maserati owner in California feeling frustrated by the constant need for repairs on your car, the California Lemon Law may provide a solution for you. In this video, you will learn how you can finally resolve this issue by using the California Lemon Law to get rid of your defective Maserati and receive financial compensation. We will explore the concept of a Maserati buyback, the qualifications for compensation, and the common defects found in Maserati vehicles. Finally, we will discuss the affected Maserati models and guide you through the initial steps of filing a Lemon Law claim. So let's begin. First of all, what exactly is the Maserati Lemon Law buyback settlement? Under the California Lemon Law, if a car manufacturer sells a defective vehicle to a consumer in California, they have a legal obligation to either repair the vehicle or compensate the car owner. One way Maserati can provide compensation for the inconvenience is through the buyback settlement option. Essentially, this means that Maserati will repurchase the Lemon vehicle from you and pay you a cash settlement. The settlement amount will include the full amount you paid for the car, any sales and financing charges incurred, previous monthly payments and future amortizations, all expenses related to repairs, towing, and car rentals. Additionally, any civil penalties imposed on Maserati by the court. Moving on, what are the common defects in Maserati vehicles that often result in Lemon Law claims? You might find these examples alarmingly relatable. Excessive noise, premature tire wear, malfunctioning clutch, transmission issues, faulty electrical system, emergency brake problem, damaged exterior, fuel leaks, and suspension issues. Are any of these issues currently affecting your Maserati? Do keep in mind that this list may not cover all possible problems, and your Maserati may be experiencing different issues altogether. However, the important thing to note is that any recurring problem that significantly impacts your vehicle's functionality, safety, or market value may qualify as valid grounds for filing a complaint. Now, the next question is, which Maserati models can you file a Lemon Law claim for? The following Maserati models have been previously mentioned in Lemon Law complaints: the Maserati Quattroporte, the Maserati Ghibli, the Maserati Levante MC20, the Maserati MC20 Cielo, the Maserati Grecale, and the Maserati Gran Turismo. Have you experienced any issues with any of these Maserati models? If you think about it, it's just unfair for any consumer to bear the burden of a defective vehicle. The car manufacturer has the responsibility to resolve this issue, and you ought to receive a fair compensation from them for all the trouble. The California Lemon Law could provide a solution to your lemon problem. So, how can you get Maserati to compensate you for your defective vehicle? You will need to file a Lemon Law claim, and to do that, your vehicle must meet one of the following criteria. The car must have been returned to the dealership at least twice to address a significant safety defect. The car must have been returned to the Maserati dealership at least 4 times to address a non-safety issue. The vehicle must have been kept for over 30 days at the dealership for any combination of issues. Now, here's the interesting part. If your Maserati meets any of these criteria within the first 18,000 miles or first 18 months, it is automatically considered a lemon under the law, and you may be eligible for compensation from the automaker. But, and this is a question asked by many of our clients, does your Maserati still qualify for Lemon Law protection if the repair issue occurred after the initial 18-month or the first 18,000 mile period? The answer is yes, it is still possible for your vehicle to be eligible for compensation. Here's how it works. If you own a Maserati in California that encounters persistent and significant defects at any time during the warranty period, and Maserati is unable to provide a satisfactory resolution despite multiple repair attempts, you may have a strong case for compensation. It's important to get started with the process and initiate a lemon law claim as soon as possible. So, how do you start with your lemon law claim against Maserati? What's the first step in the process? The first step is to determine if you have a viable case. Many reputable lemon law attorneys in California provide a free initial consultation, and you should take advantage of this opportunity to have your case reviewed by a legal expert. Your attorney will assess the strength of your case, suggest a legal strategy tailored to your specific circumstances, and offer essential guidance throughout the entire process. Contact us today for a complimentary consultation and discover within a few minutes if you have a valid lemon law case. Okay, so we talked about the first step of finding out for sure if you have a lemon law case, and the lawyer told you that your car qualifies. What's next? The next logical step, of course, is to hire a Maserati lemon law attorney. Now, if you are concerned about legal fees, here's the best part of this deal. You can engage the services of a top-notch attorney without any financial burden. That's correct. Your attorney can provide all their essential services at absolutely no cost to you. In California, most reputable lemon law attorneys operate under a no-win, no-fee policy. This means that their fees will be paid by Maserati, the auto manufacturer, as part of the settlement. In short, your attorney will only receive compensation if they succeed in your case. So you can move forward with this, knowing that there are no upfront costs to worry about. Take a proactive step by speaking to an attorney today and initiating the process. It's high time to get the issue resolved and obtain the rightful compensation you deserve. Remember, the law is on your side, and you don't need to get stuck with a lemon. For assistance to file a claim, call 323-553-7525 or visit lemonlawyers.org today.